Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our recap of the latest Star Atlas Brew Lounge. Today's session was a high-energy celebration of the first 24 hours of Holocene. The vibe was electric, as the team revealed that this was officially the smoothest release in Star Atlas history, shattering internal records and getting the game online with only a minor 15-minute delay. It finally feels like the ecosystem has fully arrived, blending deep lore and characters with complex economic loops and intense combat. Diving straight into the action, John and Jose walked the community through the current meta that's emerging in the medium-risk zone. One of the most important takeaways for new players is how to manage heat from NPCs. John shared a pro tip: if you keep your mining rate under 32, roughly 2 lobies or 16 air bikes, the NPCs generally won't attack you, allowing for a safer, more passive mining experience. They also explored the early economy, noting a quirk where raw titanium ore is currently outperforming refined titanium in value, making it a hot commodity at the OPEC oasis. As the discussion shifted to fleet strategy, John emphasized the importance of a balanced fleet. While mining ships are your bread and butter, cargo ships are the unsung heroes that provide the necessary fuel, food storage, and armor to keep you in the field longer. For those looking for more action, the team confirmed that NPC hunting is a perfectly valid gameplay loop. Some players are purposefully spawning enemy fleets just to farm them for toolkits and loot. In other exciting news from the event, we got a glimpse into the future of starbase combat and endgame content. Flipping a starbase is now a massive undertaking, requiring a coordinated team effort and roughly 30 to 60 minutes of sustained combat against scaled defenses. But the biggest reveal was the upcoming Titan ship encounter, the first true boss fight in Star Atlas history. While the team is still fine-tuning how the Titan will spawn, it's designed to be a faction-wide event that will require serious firepower to take down. The event also featured some great community moments, with shout-outs to Arids for his work on the new combat interface and a nod to players like Jindo and Laranor, who have already been wiping the floor with NPC Zerg invasions. Jose also teased a major lore drop coming next week: the launch of the official Star Atlas Lore Wiki, a passion project built to house the entire history of the Gallia expanse in one place. Looking ahead, the team is already planning Chapter 2, with a focus on mobile optimization, scanning overhauls, and more fleet orders to refine automation. John reiterated that while automation is coming, the goal is to reward active players who make real-time tactical decisions. To wrap things up, the message to the community was clear: get out there, explore the medium-risk zone, and start climbing those leaderboards. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the tutorial to get your bearings, and keep an eye out for the Holo Live code for some extra perks. We'll see you in the stars.